Hey everyone, welcome back to PcomLap. If you're looking to save time, feel free to watch this on 1.5x speed. Today, we have an incredibly exciting project lined up that will seriously level up your automation skills. We are building a fully functional AI-powered resume builder. This is workflow 11 in our series, and we'll be combining a custom front-end with a powerful n8n backend to automatically generate ATS-optimized resumes. Let's dive right in. First, we need a solid foundation. I've prepared a comprehensive text prompt that outlines exactly how our web app should look and function. We're going to take this prompt and head straight over to Google AI Studio. Here in AI Studio, I'm pasting our detailed prompt into the Gemini model. Look at how fast it gets to work. It's generating all the necessary React components, styling, and logic for our front-end interface. The AI is literally coding the application for us in real time. Let's check out the preview. The UI looks incredibly clean and professional. It even includes multiple templates like Classic Professional, Modern Minimalist, and Tech Developer. This is exactly the kind of premium experience we want for our users. Now for the fun part, building the brain of our application. We're jumping into n8n to set up our automated workflow. I'll start by adding a webhook trigger. We'll set the method to post, name the path resume builder, and make sure it's configured to respond using a dedicated respond to webhook node later on. Next, we bring in the AI. I'm adding an AI agent node and connecting it to the Google Gemini chat model. After the AI does its magic, we'll need a code in JavaScript node to process the output, followed finally by our respond to webhook node to send the data back to our web app. With the basic structure in place, I'll copy our test webhook URL. Back in Google AI Studio, I'm asking the code assistant to update our front-end code to point directly to this n8n webhook and to format everything perfectly. Now let's configure our AI agent in n8n. I'm pasting in a strict system prompt. We are telling Gemini to act as an expert resume writer and career coach. Crucially, we are commanding it to return only valid JSON data, which ensures our app won't break when reading the response. Even with strict instructions, AI models sometimes wrap their JSON in markdown code blocks. To prevent errors, I am pasting a quick JavaScript snippet into our code node. This simple script just strips away any markdown formatting, so we are left with pure, clean JSON. Almost there. I'm updating our respond to webhook node to output the JSON format. Let's save everything and hit execute workflow, so n8n is actively listening for our test event. Time for the moment of truth. Back in our live preview, I'm going to fill out the form just like a real user would do. I'll put in PcomLap as the name, add some contact info, and throw in some quirky test data for skills and experience. Let's say we work on Neptune and Pluto. Subtle chuckle. Once everything is filled out, I'll click Generate My Resume. And there it is. The n8n backend caught the webhook, processed our inputs through Gemini, and fed the polished data back to our front end. We can seamlessly switch between all our beautiful templates, and everything adapts perfectly. You can even download it straight to PDF. Now let's talk troubleshooting. If you ever hit an error where the data isn't mapping correctly, don't panic. You just need to check your respond to webhook node. Make sure your expression accurately references the past JSON output from the previous node. By mapping specific fields like body.personalinfo and body.experience, you ensure the front end gets exactly what it expects. And that wraps up Workflow 11. We've successfully built a dynamic AI-driven resume builder bridging a custom front-end with an n8n automation backend. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and drop a comment below on what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.